Here I have LG Q6 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to choose the phone icon right here. Let's use the following secret code *#06#, and as you can see, the following IMEI number just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this window. Now if you would like to use some other methods and also have access to your serial number, let's choose settings, then tap general, scroll down, and here you should choose the about phone options, select the status, and here you've got your first IMEI number. You may also select the other SIM card, and if you have inserted the SIM card, you may also check the SIM card of that number. And if you would like to check the serial number, let's choose common, and from common features let's choose the hardware info, and here you can find the serial number of the device right here. So that's it, you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.